everybody, welcome to Fruitful Trees. I am here today with Jack from Urban Abundance, and Jack sells fruit trees. He has a whole bunch of selection of fruit trees, and I thought about this idea and I wanted Jack to join me. We're gonna knock on strangers' doors and ask them if we can plant a fruit tree in their front yard, and we're gonna see what they say. We have no idea what they're gonna say, but if they wanna do it, we're gonna do it. Jack bought a bunch of trees.
Yep.
And I'm gonna put his website below. If you wanna get trees, get them from him. But what do you think about this idea?
Yeah, we're just here to serve the community. We're doing it absolutely free and no expectations. We'll see what they say, but I think people will be thrilled.
Well, we'll see, because we're gonna go in different types of neighborhoods and we're looking around to see who has trees. We're trying not to go to a place that already has trees. We wanna kind of introduce it to somebody else who doesn't have trees, but
Yeah.
as for the neighborhood, we're just going to different types of neighborhoods and we're gonna see how it goes. So we're gonna check it out. All right.
Let's get it.
We found the house here. We're gonna knock on the door and just ask them. We don't even know if they speak English or not. We're just gonna ask them if they'd like us to plant. What do you got? Mango trees? You got anything else?
Yeah, mango and avocado, I think.
Mango and avocado.
Grafted trees ready to go. Yeah.
Grafted trees ready to go, and we'll explain that to them and see what they say. So here we go. All right.
Let's
Hey.
do it. Hopefully they.
Who
Don't think
talks
we're-
first? You want me to talk first?
Yeah, sure. You got it,
Take
you got it.
turns.
Yeah, you got it.
We see their home. Their cars are here, so maybe they're not home. They have a nice lawn here, front lawn for a tree.
Be perfect for a tree.
Right.
Yeah, there was a tree there, you could tell.
Oh yeah. Well, it's
Well, I think we're striking out.
that's all right. Let's try another house.
All right.
Somebody missed out.
We tried.
Right.
One down.
I don't know about this, because I wanted to give people the element of surprise. You know, like
Then we don't have to pull right up with it. But I don't
Okay.
like, we shouldn't be going in and out of our car every time. I was just thinking about it.
okay.
If this is a good area,
I guess I don't know. I mean, we'll find
we'll
out.
find out. Free fruit trees. Hey, we're not doing harm. We're doing good.
Okay.
But yeah, we don't have to like bring it right up to the door, or we could. It's kind of funny. Yeah. We got to get engaged with people.
Yeah. Somebody who doesn't have trees and they're home.
Yeah, exactly.
Maybe
Let's bring
straight
them good
ahead.
energy, Paul. This is good.
If you ready? This house is behind the other house that
Did I
we
bring the
tried.
trees?
No. All right.
Let's see what they say.
They're home. Their cars are here. This is.
Seems like it.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
How are you doing?
Hey.
So we're from. I'm from Fruitful Trees, and he's from Urban Abundance, and we
Sure.
grow fruit trees in the neighborhood. How do you?
fruit trees?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have any fruit trees?
No.
Oh, how do you feel about fruit
Perfect.
trees?
I mean, I don't hate them. I don't know. I just
So we're going around. We decided if we're gonna plant fruit trees in people's yards, that people that want them.
Free, no questions asked, no
Okay.
strings attached.
Are you
If you're
open
in-
to a
if you're
mango or an
interested.
avocado tree?
uh,
Would you take a mango or avocado?
you want a fruit tree?
Yeah. What would you prefer, mango or avocado? Now we
How do
have
they feel about
selected
it?
varieties. These are grafted trees. They're gonna grow amazing, both of them.
Yeah, this is the best of the best. That's all we do.
Show them where you are.
Yeah.
What does she think? Wow.
Yeah.
Either one is fine. It doesn't make a difference.
Amazing.
Okay.
What are
Amazing.
your names?
I'm Natalia.
I'm Pete.
Hey, good to meet you, Jack.
Paul.
Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you.
Paul.
What's up? Hey,
Yeah,
Pete,
yes.
Natalia.
Yes. Yes. So mango, avocado, either one is fine. Okay.
Amazing.
And yeah, we both have YouTube channels, and we just decided today to go out. Holiday season, bless
Sure.
people
What's
that
your
want
That's
it.
it.
Okay, so his is Urban Abundance, And-
Urban abundance.
Yeah.
and mine is Fruitful Trees.
Fruitful trees.
Yeah,
Yeah, we just want more people to
I live close
grow,
here. I live
grow fruit
couple
trees.
blocks away.
Yeah.
yeah,
What you said? Fruitful trees and urban abundance.
Abundance. Yeah,
Is there a location you want to put it?
yeah. Come out and show us a good location
Cool.
because
I don't know, like as far as like
we could help you. We could help you figure out.
We got a winner.
We can help you figure out what the best location is.
Oh, cool.
But here, so like some of the trees you have
Buddy.
are nice and pretty, but you're not going to get food off that, right?
No.
Yeah, we have an
So-
avocado and a mango.
Okay.
So whatever you prefer.
I mean, would it work in?
What do you
What's up,
think?
dude?
Do your neighbors have mangoes or avocados?
Mango right there.
Okay.
Okay.
We knocked on the door first, no one was there.
Yeah, they
so
lost.
lucky you.
They lost out. All right. Where's a good spot, Jack? What do you think?
I mean, you guys have tons of space. Do you want to hear the backyard?
I
Front's
would say
great.
avocado. Then if you don't, either way,
Yeah.
I'd say avocado. This is
Yeah, especially because like he'll share his mangoes with us.
Yeah.
Perfect.
and less people will take avocados instead of.
It blends in.
So now, in terms of watering, do you have a sprinkler system on your yard?
Yeah.
You
Okay,
do.
good.
So
It might
but-
not want some more love, some more water,
Okay.
but we'll put compost and mulch too, so it can, feed it over the season.
yeah, the first
We came prepared.
couple of months, maybe water 2 or 3 times a
Where
week.
did you think about putting it?
You don't have a septic tank in the front, do you?
Do you have a drain field in the front?
Where?
Oh, good to know.
Right where you're standing.
Good. So we don't want to go on a drain field. Thanks for letting us know.
It is.
Right here.
You can kind of see like where the grass is a little greener right here. Like,
Sure.
that's where my drain.
Got it.
Your yard goes all the way to the end of the fence? All right. So
Yeah, I like to work with the edges,
do you have an entrance going in or no?
We do right there at the gate. There's a latch on it.
What about right here?
Yeah. What do you
How's
think?
about right here?
Cool.
Good?
We got our location.
Okay. Go get the tree
Cool.
and I'll stand at the spot so we
And
don't
they
lose the
mentioned they have
spot.
they have a neighbor with mangoes, so they're going to trade them with the avocados that they're gonna have from this tree. Awesome.
Thank you. We'll show you when it's done.
All
We
right,
shouldn't be too
cool.
long. Yeah.
Again, the top quality avocado.
Yep. Best tasting Florida avocado. This one fruits in the winter time.
That's right. Oro Negro.
Leave the name tag on for them.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the name
Oh.
tag up here. So yeah, exactly. So they know what they got.
Yeah.
And this one's been in the pot a while, but I think it's ready to go in the ground.
Sounds good. All right, we're gonna start digging a hole and breaking some ground here. Jack's gonna dig this one.
So what I do, Paul, I just like get all the grass out before I even get down there with the shovel. Let my legs do all the work. And then I go down there and I get the grass out.
Actually,
We're gonna take turns.
we'll take turns. But this is what we both put in fruit trees. I just
We
do it
do this
personally.
anyways. I was thinking about
I do
that.
it personally. You do
Yeah.
this for
Yeah.
a living because Jack goes to people's houses and does this all the time. They pay him and he plans it ahead of time. He doesn't just knock on people's doors. And me, I'm just putting trees in and out of my yard all the time. But
But you're doing it all the time, Paul. I see you.
yeah, you might as well just knock on people's doors and say, "Can we mess up your lawn?"
This is fun, Paul. Thanks for thinking of me.
Yes, yeah.
And then I go down there and I get the grass out.
What would you guys watching say if somebody pulled up to your front door offering you a free tree?
I would say, heck yeah, come on in.
I would negotiate the variety.
Yeah, you would. Yeah, we run out of space, right? And we don't give.
Yeah,
We become the opposite of desperate.
yeah.
But not desperation. This is just a beautiful thing, Like
Absolutely.
their kid Elijah's gonna be eating this from this as he grows up. What a beautiful thing.
Well, the first person we tried was right next to this person or in front of this person, but they weren't home. So these people could say, "Look what you missed out on. This could have been theirs."
There's a lesson there.
Yeah. Stay home.
Stay home in case Paul and Jack
Yeah.
pull up to your house
Is that big
with
enough?
fruit trees.
They're gonna have to just water it a couple of times a week
Yeah.
here in the winter time.
We should tell them, we should bring them a hose. We're just taking on the whole neighborhood.
I can come here for them and water it.
Yeah, that's right.
These are 7-gallon, no,
Mm-hmm.
7-gallon trees.
It's a good size.
So if somebody was gonna buy these trees from you, how much are 7-gallon trees normally?
It's like 75 bucks.
$75 gift somebody's getting.
But it's also Paul's love and Jack's love and energy and time.
Yep.
Way more. All right, cool. So let's do it.
Okay. So we could just imagine right now they're looking at us either on a camera or from their house or out their window, they're peeking to see what we're doing. And that's fine. I would be too.
Are they?
No, I'm sure they are. I mean, and
Yeah,
that's also
because who are we, right?
I'm glad we asked
it's
them
funny.
about their drain field, because if we didn't, we could have made a big error. So when you're
Yeah.
planting fruit trees, make sure you're not near your drain field, because you don't want to create issues.
Yeah. No, but you're right. Like Paul led with like, hey, we're from X and Y company. It's like they're like, oh, okay.
They even looked us up on YouTube.
Yeah, now they do. Shout outs, they want us to Pete, they want to support. So cool, man.
Yeah.
All right, time to put the tree in the ground.
Here goes Oro Negro.
Oro Negro.
Avocados actually turn black when they're ripe.
The outside of it, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
That's how you know. Some avocados stay green and you're not sure when to pick them. But these you pick when they're black. And avocados won't ripen on a tree. You can pick them unripe and then just add them to the counter, and then they'll get ripe later. So you're planting pretty high, and you're planting pretty high there. Is that the way you normally do it?
Like an inch high.
Yeah, avocados don't like to sit in water.
Exactly.
So you definitely want to get good drainage in the spot that you do plant it.
Paul nailed it. Yeah, give it that good drainage, and it'll do well like in those high storm, like those times where we get 10 inches of rain. It makes a difference. What do you think, Paul?
Looking nice. I don't usually, I go usually level, but you're the expert here. You're the business.
It just means they do have to water it a little bit more this first kind of couple months.
Yeah, but you got mulch, so that's gonna make a difference.
What's that?
You got mulch, right?
Exactly.
That's gonna make the difference.
It'll help hold it.
Yeah. This is the ideal way to do it, especially with an avocado, so you don't get too much water. But This is a really nice spot. They have a pine tree close by here, but besides that, it looks like a sunny open spot. So he brought some topsoil, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, compost. Yeah, compost.
It's gonna do really nice here.
Feed the trees.
So we should water, once you put it in, you should definitely give it a good water in. So we're gonna have to find their hose, but once we get all settled here, we'll knock on the door and show it to them, and we'll ask them if they have a hose nearby. I guess we should have asked that to begin with, because if they don't, how are they gonna water it? Live and learn.
Yeah, it's called Amazon.com. Order a hose.
Well, not just the hose, they need the
Home
spigot
Depot.
nearby, you know?
No, because they don't need it today, you're right,
You know?
Paul. These are the obstacles we're coming across. We didn't plan this, but this morning.
Yeah, we should have asked them, is there water nearby, a water source?
I think we have a hose in the truck.
Yeah, but we need the spigot, you know?
Exactly.
Some of these older houses, they're not equipped with spigots in every corner.
You're so right. Even the newer houses.
Yeah,
Yeah, they don't think it through with the spigots.
this is beautiful. This is good. Good job, Jack.
Yeah, thank you.
If you guys
Paul.
want to get a tree, Urban Abundance, I'll put the link below. He has
Thanks,
a bunch
man.
of trees. And
Yeah, and we kind of help you do it for you. We help you design the space, kind of think it all through.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Looks like they're in. Should we call them out here and ask them about their water spigot and
Yeah.
just show them it?
That's a great idea. All right, let's go see what they think.
Hi, how you doing?
All
Can we
set.
show it to you? And also,
Cool.
do you have a water spigot nearby at all? All right, what do you think? Yeah. We left a
Cool.
name on there. It's called Oro Negro.
Okay.
I have one in my front yard. When you see my videos, you'll see me talk about it all the time. It's the best,
How big does this get?
as big as you let it.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know, you can keep them trimmed. You can let them grow.
Often will it give avocado?
Every November to December, it should give avocados.
Okay.
You know.
It sleeps
Okay.
and it puts down its roots. Year 2, it creeps. And then year 3, it leaps. And it's a really corny way of saying like 3 years you're getting fruit. But
Yeah.
this one's delicious. It's probably one of
And
like better. You can't even get this at the store.
what do you think?
Perfect.
It's all good?
What do you guys think?
Good.
Cool, yeah?
So his name's Elijah?
Elijah.
Yeah.
Elena and Emery.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Very
What are
good.
your guys' ages?
They're twins.
Oh, really? I'm a twin.
Cool.
I'm a twin, Paul and Paula. All right. Well, guys, I hope you enjoy this. And
Good to meet y'all.
yeah, check out our channels and see.
Subscribed already.
Amazing.
Yeah, good. Yeah. They missed out, their neighbors, because we knocked there first and nobody answered. Okay.
Okay.
Well, very good.
Of
Thank you,
course.
guys. All right. Have a great day.
See you guys.
Remember to turn the water off.
Yeah.
What about this house?
This is
Huh?
good. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right,
What do you think? We got a mango
all right, we're
here.
gonna try this house.
Mana Chinook.
Here we go.
Let's put this right here. Let's see.
Here goes nothing.
They got a BMW. All right, they don't have a bell.
Hello.